Today on Ridge Roamer, we're going to install the FXS Bluetooth motorcycle headset to see if a $50 headset can hold its own against the big guys. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and unbox this, take a look at everything that's included in the kit. The FXS is designed to be a basic two-rider Bluetooth system. So if it's you and a buddy, or you and your spouse, or just you by yourself and you want to listen to some music, answer some phone calls, this is a great solution. If you're looking for a group ride, this is not the model. But check out their website, they do have a bunch of other versions. Opening this up, we've got the user manual, which will walk through installation, operation, all of that. We've got just a little warranty card. Here's the system itself. This is the gray. They also have a blue, so if you're looking for a little different color, we've got the gray option or the blue option. Lifting out this, we get into all the packs of accessories. So in here we've got a clamp mount or an adhesive mount, so we can use either one, which is a very nice option. And we've got a charging cable, so this is just a USB to USB-C charging cable. Looks to be a very nice cable. They also give you both a boom microphone and the speakers, or the wired, so you can stick it at the front of the helmet. And then we've got a bunch of extra, looks like enough for 2 installs, so if you move it from one helmet to another, you've got the capability to use fresh adhesives for the Velcro on the back of the speakers as well as on the microphone. They also give you a little Allen wrench that you need. This system is IP67 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet. You get caught in the rain, not a problem at all. It will work while charging also, so we can, if we get low on battery, we can plug it into a power pack in your pocket or into your bike if you've got a USB port, and it will continue to run while you're charging. Speaking of charging, it takes about 2 hours to charge this from completely depleted back to full, and then it's got about a 15-hour battery life. That's what it's rated for. We'll do a little testing, see how that actually holds up. And they also rate it for 350 hours of standby. So if you go somewhere and forget to turn it off, you're still going to have, plenty of battery life when you come back to actually use the helmet. Like I said, this is limited to 2 riders, so as long as it's just you and somebody else, you're good, or just you. They list a 1,000-meter range. If it's just 2 riders, more than likely you're either side by side or you're on the same bike. So shouldn't be an issue there. Does have built-in noise reduction. It's Bluetooth 5.4 tech, so very modern as far as the features that are included. And this is a 40mm speaker, which is the same that you're going to see on a lot of the big name ones. So let's go ahead and work on installation. First thing we'll do, loosen up this clamp. Grab our helmet donut so it doesn't get all scratched up. Work that up there. Once our mount is secure with the Allen wrenches, then basically this has a slide on off feature, so it's got a little release that you can press here, and this will go on just right over that. Nice positive click, engaging it, very secure, yet you can press down and easily release it. So if you do need to take it off for some reason, you can, but easy installation that way. Now you should always charge a headset upon initial installation. I've already done that, so we're good to go on the power. Next thing we're going to do is work on the microphone and speakers. For this one, we're not going to use the boom mic, so we'll just unplug the boom mic, set it aside, and we'll use this small microphone. That'll plug in. Now you got two different lengths on your cords going to the speakers. So since this plugs in here, the one with the shortest cord will stay on this side, longer will snake around, head over there. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. So that installs there. Underneath this little port is the charge. That's where you're going to go to with your USB to charge that. And then as far as buttons, you've got a center button, a top button, and then a dial that's spring loaded. So now with this plugged in the bottom, we'll go ahead and remove, and each helmet's going to be different, but remove what you need to access to get your speakers installed. We'll go ahead and remove them on both sides. Drop that down. Now you can see the little ear pocket in there to stick the speakers. First thing we're going to do is use one of these little Velcro stickers. Center it right in there. That gives the speakers something to stick to. Now you can pay attention to the way the wires come out. Some speakers have, or some helmets have really nice channels. This one's got one built in here for that wire so it stays recessed. Pull the back off. Make room for everything else to go around. Not the microphone, that'll go to the front, but the other speaker to go around. We're going to do the same thing. Install another Velcro sticker on this side. In place, follow that channel, take any excess, kind of run it around in here where it's not gonna come falling out while you're riding. Microphone loose. So we'll do the little Velcro sticker on the front and then stick the microphone in, and installation will be complete. Okay, there we go. Helmet looks just like it did before, except we've got this clamped on. Power it up by just holding the top button for about 3 seconds.
Welcome to Bluetooth communication system, full battery.
Now that it's on, we get into pairing mode by holding the middle button for about 3 seconds. Now it's flashing between blue and red. My phone as well is scanning for Bluetooth devices. It found the FOD Sports FXS. We'll just tap that, shows pairing. Pair. Alright, now it shows it's paired. Now if you've got two of them and you want to pair those together, what you're going to do is hold down the center button for 3 seconds. Then hit the middle button again. We'll do the same thing on this one. It just told me we had a pairing success. So now that the two of them are paired, I'm connected to my phone. I'm also connected to this other headset. If it were in a helmet, we'd be able to talk between the two of these. Controls on this are very familiar if you've used any other dial type Bluetooth intercom. The middle button will play or pause your music. And we're playing. I'll just go ahead and pause it. Volume up, hold it up. Volume down, hold it down. Skip tracks. Quick flip, one press, and it'll go back and forth. So easy to go through the tracks there. Volume up, volume down. So this goes down, you can hear it beep and then go down to the next one, beep down to the next one, going up and down the levels. So very positive as far as being able to tell whether it's getting your input or not, which I really like. Very sleek system, doesn't stick out a whole lot. The buttons have a good tactile feel. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and see what the sound quality is like. Now, controls can be had on the headset or on your phone, so I can control volume here when I'm listening to my phone. It actually goes really loud. Very clear all the way up. Wow, okay, that's plenty of noise. Super crisp, super clear. Like I said, the buttons, very good tactile feel. I don't know if you don't need anything crazy on a headset, you just want to be able to make and receive phone calls, you want to be able to talk to your passenger or talk to your buddy while you're riding, you don't need anything more than this. It does not feel inferior to other much more expensive systems that I have. I'll be using this quite a bit. Very impressed. Now it is winter here, so I've not had a chance to do a lot of good riding. I don't have a long-term information yet to be able to tell you how well it's going to hold up. I will say it seems very well built. It doesn't feel inferior to other more expensive Bluetooth systems that I have. It's way louder than I would ever want to listen to, even when I'm riding, and it's crystal clear, so no issues as far as the sound goes on my end. The Bluetooth technology is top of the line, so I don't anticipate any issues between the two intercom systems, as long as you're not too far apart. And again, if it's just two of you, then you're going to be either on the same bike or side by side anyway, so don't worry about the expensive mesh networks and all that. Mesh networks are great if you're 6, 8, 10, 15, 20 riders in a group and you all want to talk, but you don't need to spend that kind of money for basic Bluetooth capability. Now this system, I've seen an MSRP on it of $83.99. I know on their website you can buy it for $49.99, so 50 bucks per helmet. Super inexpensive compared to other systems on the market. They did send this one to me for free, and even though I got this at no charge, this is my 100% honest review. It's my helmet, it's staying on here. I'm happy to stand behind this and recommend it. It is not cheap junk. It is very high quality. It's just at a much better price. Electronics prices are coming down, so you should expect nice technology in electronics to be able to be purchased at a much better price. And a lot of the more expensive systems aren't necessarily getting less expensive, they're just getting more complicated. Not everybody needs more complicated. If that's you, pick this up. Not only are they $49.99, I have also put a link. They've given me a discount code, so if you click on my code Ridge Roamer and do that at checkout, that drops the price down to $43.99. So incredible value, free secure shipping. They're saying that's going to take 15 to 29 days to get it. If you're in more of a hurry, they do offer premium fast shipping, which they're saying is 6 to 12 days to the US for only $15.99. So if you want something more complicated, explore the website more. There's a bunch of other options available there, but for probably over 90% of riders out there, this is all you need. I appreciate you joining me. If this was helpful, please hit that like button. Definitely use the discount code to ensure that you're getting the best deal possible on these. If you've got questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you again. Ride safe, roam more.